Well, there's not a lot of room for the laptop and Richard to tune it, but this is one beautifully painted Mitsubishi Colt CZT in orange. What do you think to that?
Very nice.
It's actually a really nice paint job, which is uncommon on some of the cheaper end of the scale cars like the Colt CZT. And he's made a great job of this paintwork. It's got a nice bonnet, which I'll show you in a bit. Some mods, so we've got the Injen, we've got a cold air box. What do you call that? Heat shield, cold air box type thing. Because when you shut that, it seals it.
Cold air box.
Cold air box. I like it.
Good nugget.
Do you want to be in this video?
No.
Okay, we've got a hybrid valve, we've got some Dynodaze hoses, got a front mount, got a Dynodaze 4-branch manifold. It's got a full exhaust system on it. It's got no cats, so meow.
That's some big flames.
Yeah, shut the bonnet, Jason. Shut the bonnet. Let's have a look at it aesthetically. No more than two fingers at any time, Jason.
Unless it's like your own missus.
That's the rule. I've got to delete that now. This video is 1 minute and 27 seconds long, and I've got to delete it.
Oh yeah. It's funny.
It's not funny. We have a young family audience. In fact, I'm going to see if I can bleep that so I don't have to do this video again. Looking very cosy in there this morning, Richard. Very snug.
Well, I'm in it. I admit, literally just.
Yeah, it must be difficult to hold the laptop and stuff like that when you're in a confined area such as this. What are you doing?
What do you say?
Okay, so there we go. We're finished for today. The Arashi hybrid turbo map. Richard sat in the seat and he's loved that today. And we've made 266 brake horsepower, which is 240 at the wheels. And
My ass has been the dumbest it's been since the last time you were in there.
And 247 foot-pound of torque. Well, at least you can feel me, Rich. Yeah. Would you like to explain to... Why are you cuddling me right now? What is going on today? What is going on? So basically Richard's complaining somewhat about a numb bum because his balls have been crushed. Yeah. In that seat. He's got a little pillow for his... he's getting to that age where he needs a little pillow on the seat. Yeah, inflatable donut. But yeah, what do you reckon then, Rich? You happy with it?
I think the turbo intake part could have been a little bit bigger.
Yeah, and the engine is pretty slight.
Yeah, and we seem to be struggling a little bit top end, but I mean, a little bit of fiddling we've done okay, but I've sort of pushed a bit harder at around 6,000 to tail off towards the limiter. But
happy days, another one in the bag.
Life moves pretty fast.